Hello everyone, Steve Bertram from Flex Realty here, just at my new listing at 3803 21st Avenue. Just some highlights of this property. It's got parking on both sides of the house. There's an access down the alley, and it's got a beautiful front lawn and entry area, nice sidewalk that goes all the way across. And then over here is the second driveway, or really the primary driveway, providing access to the basement suite behind the house here. And then really nice front entryway getting you to the front door. Let's go and have a look inside. As you walk in the house, the first thing you see is the living room area. It's got a beautiful fireplace over here. And then we've got this fantastic dining room attached to the kitchen. And then over here, access to the sun deck outside. Past the kitchen, where the deck door goes outside, you can go downstairs and have a look at this. This is the laundry room down here, hidden away and nice and quiet so you don't have to hear your laundry running. You got a great view to do your dishes from right across the valley. Going over here, we're gonna go towards the bedroom. You got your main bathroom over here, full main bath with tub shower, and then your master with a nice little ensuite here. Double doors to the deck right out there so you can see this beautiful valley view after a rainfall. And then here's the ensuite. Just a two-piece, but very handy for those midnight runs. And then over here, you got the second of 3 bedrooms on this level. Nice bedroom with a bifold closet. And then the third bedroom is right here. Same thing, bifold closet. Standing out here on the sun deck, you get to see all across to the vineyards and wineries of the Okanagan Valley. And wow, just a panoramic view. Going past the fruit trees here, we'll show the backyard as well as the basement suite. There's air conditioning in the house, which makes it nice and cool in those warm summers here that we see in the Okanagan. And there's the view of the big deck from here. So you've got a lot of space to enjoy the views. And then in the backyard, the sidewalk goes towards the basement suite. There's some storage under the deck there. And then there's even a nice little sitting area over here for the basement tenants or the in-laws to enjoy, as well as a nice little patio area and a beautiful flower garden. You can see the view from here too. Let's go have a look inside the basement suite. Here we are inside the basement suite, and there's this nice little entry area, sort of a den here that you could use for an office or whatever you wanted. And then coming in here, you've got a full bathroom with a tub shower, and then this beautiful kitchen with even a little window that goes out towards the main backyard area. And then this nice little sitting area, which leads over here to the master bedroom. It's got a really nice bifold closet set there. And then over here, you've got the second bedroom in the basement suite, which is just being used as a den right now, but it does have the closet. And lots of egress for fire code and everything as well. And then over here, you've got your laundry closet. Really handy to have that in the kitchen. So each level has its own laundry. And then a little bit of storage as well. Thanks so much for touring this beautiful property with us. If you'd like to arrange your viewing, you can call us 250-306-7575 or call your favorite realtor. Steve Bertram, Flex Realty. Have a great afternoon.